Because when it's taut, it's sort of it's like a tightrope. You can't kind of penetrate in, but when he was trying,
Softened it.
Yeah, he softened it. Let me in. G'day guys, Ninja, Jace on the table. Today we're going to treat. Jason, your name's Jason. Jason's TFL.
You're doing well. What's happened?
I know. I'm just joking. Jason's TFL. Tell us a little bit about your TFL.
Yeah, so it's a bit of like TFL and probably rec fem, so the quad attachment here. So when I'm in a lunge position and this leg is back, it just feels like there's a bit of a stretch and those tendons are really tight at the top there. So yeah, compared to this side, that feels nice and clean. But when I'm in a lunge position, yeah, it just feels like it's really tight and ropey through there. And even just palpating there, you can feel it's quite taut. So I thought we'd get Ninja to work his magic on it.
Yeah.
Show you what he does.
I might even go through your undies now.
Go through the undies?
So we forgot to mention, but 3 ways we're going to treat this, okay?
You're right into it.
So yeah, no warm-up was walking in here, mate. So we're going to treat this 3 ways. That should have been my bloody intro. Bloody hell.
Maybe Leo can work some
edit
magic
it out, edit this
put this
back
at the
into
start, Leo. 3 ways to treat.
Rewind. Yeah, we're going to treat it 3 ways. So on the table, we're going to treat it seating, and we're going to treat it lunging. So, this is the sort of thing that you might, if you're interested, learn in our course. We do a mentorship. So we've got 60 hours of treatment videos. Jace,
Exactly like this, isn't it? You treating me.
Jace was our model, and Leombe was another model, and Aaron was on anatomy duties, and he was the overseer of all the treatment.
Yep.
He was a special comment, Dipper.
Yeah, that's right, working the boundary line.
If you're in Australia, no Dipper. But if you're in America, you don't know what the fuck I'm talking about.
That's all right, you don't need to.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Dipper.
Oh.
I saw Dipper in Belgrave, and bloody Aaron was frothing it. Went to Suki Lounge. We
did, yeah. That was a few weeks ago, wasn't it?
Suki Lounge 4 weeks ago.
Aaron demolished some food. How much food can he put away?
He's meant to be on a detox.
Jeez, he ate some food. So he looked at the menu, and there was, I reckon he would have ordered 8 items just for himself. We did share a few of them, but he had most of it. And after we'd eaten all our mains, we were all like, nah, we're pretty full. Aaron's like, nah, get dessert. He's a dessert man.
2.
Couldn't decide between the 2 desserts, so he got them both.
One of everything, he said.
He loved it.
Remember the all-you-can-eat Homer Simpson?
Yeah.
The guy's more stomach than man. Something like that. Went to court. Yeah.
Over
the sign said all you can eat. What were you doing at 3 a.m. in the morning? We're driving around looking for all you can eat restaurants.
Classics.
So Homer and
Aaron, not too far apart.
Yeah.
Oh.
There we go. So push up into that.
I reckon even if you roll your elbow down. Yeah, that's it.
Into that spot.
That spot there. That's right on the money.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a feeling of goodness.
Yeah.
Oh.
So you might notice with our treatments as well, a lot of times when we're fixing stuff, we're not actually doing massage strokes like you'll see in other courses and other people doing. We just pin. So that's the important difference. We pin it. You cannot rush melting of the fascia. So where you're blocked, that's where you need to go. And the intel is the sensation. So you know if this is traumatic, it's damage, you don't want it, it's too raw and not ready. But you also know when you are ready and it is the right pressure, the right pace, the right angles that are explored. It just elicits a sensation that you know what it means. It's like a language, you understand it, and you know you're going to be better in the future. So it's that continual pressure, pinning, holding, that does the job. So that's what you got to remember. You can't rush it, and you just got to keep on things.
I reckon if you take that down a little
Just
bit,
down a
that
bit.
same line, but down just a bit lower. Yeah, it's not as bad as I thought.
If I go like that,
No, I thought it was coming up, but it just
sometimes it
went
doesn't
away.
come. So, false summit.
Yeah, that was it.
False summit. So see how Jace knows his own body. He is the temple. Jace is the temple, literally and figuratively. Yeah, he is a temple, but we're all temples. Our body, everybody's body is their temple. So you don't want to shit in the temple. You don't want to abuse your temple. But I suppose most people do. Knowingly or unknowingly, we do it. So we're all about bringing it back to full function naturally, you know. So I reckon that we might get you in a seated position now.
Yeah,
And
test it out.
hit another angle.
Oh, feels good as gold already.
Feels good.
I don't know how much more work you can do, Ninja, but show
Yeah.
us what you got.
So show me where the spot is.
So I'll just try and get into a bit of a lunge. It actually feels a lot better, but it's probably down a bit lower now. It feels hard
the
to
top of
pinpoint.
the femur.
Yeah, maybe like quad.
Oh,
Like
really?
This sort of region here.
Yeah.
And a bit coming down, probably even into that area.
Yeah. So the bottom of that.
Yeah,
That
bottom
femur.
of where you just sort of hit. So,
So
if I
you
get that
show
out
me
of the way.
show me where you think.
So
and
I
then
reckon it's here, coming down into that quad.
So this is a different spot. So I might just
Yeah, get your elbow in there. Oh, that's going to be good.
yeah.
And I might lean away just to try and create a bit more extension there. Oh, that's a money.
So I can pin it. So yeah, now Jace can get active. So if he feels like he wants to just stay there, camp there for a bit with his upper body,
There, yeah.
and then when he feels like he just wants to move, so he can come back towards me, and that'll shorten it a little bit, and then I can kind of bury it in a bit deeper like that.
Oh, you can bury in, all right.
Yeah.
Jeez.
He just gave me, because when it's taut, it's sort of it's like a tightrope. You can't kind of penetrate in, but when he was trying,
Softened it.
Yeah, he softened it, let me in. He
Oh.
thought I didn't know his trick, but I did. I knew what he was up to.
Oh, yeah,
In
that's
there.
feeling like where it was.
Yeah, so this is the bit. Probably got to do on the side there a little bit too. I might do that suited as well.
Just keep dragging down. I reckon you'll collect it all. Oh, that's... Sorry to be moaning so loud, but that's good. Good tucker.
Speaking of moaning, you're going on your honeymoon soon, aren't you?
Yes.
You like that one?
Just over a month away. So
Yeah.
it's the end of February. Oh.
So the idea is to look good in a bathing suit.
Well, we're going to
Ibiza.
we're going to Italy. So
Yeah.
it's going to be just coming out of winter, so it might not be full bathing suit weather. But you've just got me in all sorts. Oh, I'm sweating.
Sweating bullets.
Starting to work up a sweat.
Yeah. Oh, we just got to fix you, mate.
Just detoxing, I reckon.
Yeah,
out of that.
detox. Yeah.
Oh.
Everything kind of is loosened, and when you detox, yeah, you kind of everything gets more liquefied rather than solid in your body, and you can the debris, the garbage. It's sort of like collecting garbage that's accumulated. Like we think about cleaning the outside of our body, our teeth, things like that, but the inside of our body is hidden. And I did a video on this sort of stuff. I did a 4-week thing in August last year, in 23, and I was talking like, you look all right on the outside, but what you can't see is what's inside.
Show bags.
You know? Show bags. I was calling Jay show bags. You don't know what you don't know. Look good on the outside, but you might be full of shit on the inside.
Might not be though, Nick.
Yeah, you don't know until you fucking go through a process.
Oh.
So we need to know.
Oh, it's coming up to a new one.
Yeah, I'm
I thought I
sliding a
just
bit
hit a
now.
spot that was all right, but
More into your quad.
more in the first leg of the quaddy.
Yeah.
Oh,
You count me. You right?
Yeah, no,
You got
that's-
through it?
got through. Oh, it's just dull
Yeah.
that quad. That's
Good, deep, dull ache.
yeah. I reckon we're through it.
Yeah, mate. I reckon I want to do another little
Oh,
spot.
another one. Jeez, that was
So I can get...
pretty bloody Kelvin.
So, Kelvin, Peter, Darcy.
Another Aussie slang that no American or anyone else will probably get.
Yeah.
It's an Aussie rules reference.
Yeah. Darcy Moore is the captain of Collingwood.
Kelvin Moore was another an ex-Hawthorn player.
Yeah.
Peter Moore was Darcy Moore's dad.
Yeah.
Or is Darcy Moore's dad.
Dual Brownlow medalist. He walks around the streets of Richmond with his little
Used
dog.
to come in a bit, didn't he?
Yeah. G'day, Peter, if you watch our videos. I doubt you do, but...
Oh,
just
it's
sort of-
more tolerable than the last one, I'll tell
Yeah.
you that.
So we're just sort of doing a stroke. This one sort of just, the stroke went. Like it didn't feel like there was too much there. So it just the stroke went instead of me like a roadblock making me stay. So, all right. So we might have a little break, and I'll get your shorts on.
In the lunge position.
Yeah, put your shorts on, mate, so we don't kind of distress anybody out there like it has happened in the past.
Yeah, don't want to offend anyone.
Yeah, and put your shorts on, we'll get you lunging, and then we'll see if there's any spots that need a bit more
All right.
work.
Look forward to it, guys. Stay tuned.
All right, how you feeling, mate?
It's feeling better, so I'm not feeling it as much around here. Like, I really have to exaggerate to feel it. That's probably more like at the front here, so that quad down through here, that tendon there.
I fucking need to put you up on the jack.
If you feel that in, you can probably feel how ropey it is.
Getting a bit of sun.
Rope.
Yeah, that feels tight to you.
Yeah, that's probably the last bit that I feel. So I might lean back a little bit so you can get in there.
I reckon if I can do this,
I'll go.
get some sun on you, mate. How's that look, Leo?
Got my pasty legs.
More sun.
Come over this way a bit.
Sorry.
Get all sun.
I'll lean away.
Oh yeah, if I can pin that. Don't let any shut. Oh, yeah, fucking ropey is.
Yeah.
I'll get out, innit?
What do you reckon?
If you come forwards a bit, yeah, soften it.
Soften
Yeah.
it.
Then I'll be able to. Does that feel like a line?
Yeah.
So with the dynamic treatment, we do a whole section everywhere in the body, pretty much dynamic. So a lot of it is innovative. So you kind of work on a way that the person feels their own kind of restriction and pain, and you can try and work on them in that while they're trying to do that movement. Yeah. So then you can get a really instant kind of feedback, so they can kind of say, yeah, that helped, or no, I feel like you got to go here or wherever. So it's like you're working together, but you kind of can get in all sorts of different positions, and it's not your textbook kind of stuff. So we're just trying to do a specific thing that is going to help Jace out.
And so do you go to dynamic after, if they're still feeling something after you've done the table work, then you'd go to dynamic?
Yeah, generally what I'm doing.
Asking?
Yeah.
It wouldn't be your first point to go straight to this.
Nah, not generally. Sometimes I'll go to dynamic straight up, and it's in situations where like somebody can't take their clothes off, or different things like that, or they just want to keep on talking, so I'll work on them while they're just there. Tell them their story, because that's an important thing that we kind of want to acknowledge with our therapy, is we really try and connect with people on a personal level, try and understand where they're coming from, and a lot of times you go to specialists and they don't want to know your story because they haven't got time for that. But it's when you're being more holistic, that's critical information that you want. You want to know what their goals are and why, or their history, things like that. You know, what's worked and things. So, you can kind of really get a lot better results when people trust you and you understand what their goals are, and then you can work as a unified force towards what they want. So, and it's just awesome when you can really help somebody out that's been in chronic pain, or they've got a sports injury and they're not able to achieve the
goals they want,
their level of performance and things like that. So yeah, you can feel that spot there. Yeah. How's that feel?
It's all right.
Has it been a good line?
Yeah, it's been good. How's your thumb going there?
Yeah, good, man.
Yeah.
I love it.
How do you build up the endurance for this ninja?
Just got to do thumb work, and I suppose see how I'm just really keeping my thumb straight, supporting my wrist. So this hand on my wrist here helps me generate more force and keep it strong.
Without just pushing through your thumb there.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's just hours and hours and hours of hundreds of thousands of people.
Yeah. So you can kind of see it's a bit of a party trick. They're the same person, two different thumbs. How's that feel? Is there a spot?
Pretty good,
yeah.
I reckon.
Is there a spot when you do that? In your quad or anything like that?
Not further down, nah.
Yeah.
Nah. It's definitely gone from that TFL region.
Yeah.
I think we're pretty good.
Pretty good?
Yeah.
Yeah. So anyway, 3 ways to treat TFL, top of your fucking legs. So there we go. I think that's it. So if you want to learn this kind of stuff, look in the links below. Mentorship twice a year. You can have a chat with us all year round. There's one coming up February 19. So if you're watching this video in February 2024,
Get in
and
involved.
get taught and help people out. That's what it's all about. Let's fucking get rid of some pain in this world. Unnecessary pain and suffering.
That's the goal.
You can fix it naturally. Don't need to keep on jabbing and popping pills and stuff like covering up. It's not getting to the root source. It's not going to get it to heal. So we want to get things to heal and yeah, get on with life.
There you go.
Come on.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Done.
Done.